Hi guys, sorry it's been a couple of days since my last video. I've got some more locks. This one is a very old tri-circle, number 28750. If you can see it now. It is locked and I have got keys for it. I've had a couple of plays with this one. It didn't really put too much of a fight up. So we will see how we get on with it. And there you go, straight away. So we'll take that out again and we'll give it another go. So tensioner straight in, using a city rake. And there you go, it's open again. If you like the videos, please feel free to like, subscribe, comment below, and I'll try and keep the videos coming. I have got some more locks, so I might upload some more tonight if I get time to pick them. Other than that, be good and see you soon.